Hi, I'm Mark. This is Everyone Can Grill. It's 21 degrees in Northeast Ohio, and we're going to do smash burgers. A lot of stuff on Facebook about can you cook in the garage? Is it too cold to cook on the Blackstone? Well, today we're going to do both of those just to show you we can. But on top of that, I'm going to show you the best sauce to put on your burgers that you will ever have. So stick around because this is gonna be good. All right, for my smash burgers, I use 80-20 ground meat. We're gonna put this off to the side right now, and I'll show you what I got for my sauce. And if you don't like what I'm using, use whatever you want because, geez, oh Pete, it's your dinner, and you want your dinner to be good. I personally love this. We're going to start out with some mayonnaise as our base. About yay. And yay again. And a little bit more. All right, I'm using Duke's just because I've heard so much about it online and on YouTube and everything, and I wanted to see what it is all about. On that, about that much ketchup. And 7 squirts of Frank's, because you put that stuff on everything. A little, 2, little shot of Worcestershire sauce. And what really kills this is my dry rub. The recipe for this will be in the instructions or the description below. And man, I'm telling you, it sure gives it a kick. Let's give this a quick mix while we talk about the weather. Like I said, I've seen a lot of people with their Blackstones. Speaking of, I'm going to turn mine down just a smidge right now. I had it on hot just to warm it up. We're going to put it back on high though for the cook. A lot of people like pickles. If you like pickles, add pickles to this or relish. Let's take a taste to sample it. All right. You know what that needs? That needs some Fireball. Perfect. All right, we'll set that off to the side. Like I said, I had this thing screaming hot. I'm going to bring it all the way back up to high. I'm going to move the camera to the Blackstone side, and I'll bring you right back. So stick around. This is fun. All right, my Blackstone is at both of them full high. And it's so stinking cold that my thermometer will not read. So, yeah, we're hot. You can see the smoke coming off of that. I got a mixture of olive oil and vegetable oil in here, and I'm going to just put a little bit down just so these things don't stick, because honestly, my Blackstone is still relatively new, and it could use a little more seasoning. So bacon for sure. Now let's drop these bad boys down, and they're sizzling, to 3. Now this is the hottest part of my grill too, so we're going to watch that one close. 4, 5. Let them sit for a minute. I'm going to add some salt to all of them. Buddy, this is good. I love smash burgers. I wanted to do something really fancy today, but the wife wanted smash burgers, so I figured this would be good. This is black pepper. This would be a good one to get going on. Yes. I got 2 spatulas going here. One of them for smashing, and one of them for helping smash them. See how I just push it down and slide it out. Don't worry about, I mean, good God, they're Smashburgers, for Christ's sake. Pretty thin. Do this one. This goes quick, buddy. That's why I did the the sauce first. Don't you love how you're thinking of something and your brain just completely shuts off for a second? Listen to that. And my alarm's going off on my phone telling me that my laundry is done. And we ain't stopping for laundry. Not right now. I'm going to touch them with another hit of salt. And we're going to let them fly for a minute. And this is live action. I am not stopping this thing. So, if you already saw what you saw, or you liked, then you can boogie on, but I would stick around because it's cooking, man, so why not? Hey, on top of everything, I'm almost at 500 subscribers, which is all about you guys. And honestly, I appreciate every single subscriber, every comment. I will answer every single comment you shoot at me. It's just, I look every day. I get so excited when I see a new subscriber, wondering where y'all are or where you're living or what your plans are. And every comment just makes my day. So if you want to shoot a comment, a thumbs up, I even, I check them too. It's awesome. But this is all for you. I really appreciate it. Again, like I said, it's 22, 21 degrees out here. And look at how nice this thing's flying. Simple as simple can be. And this is what I'm looking for, is that blood juice. We'll call it juice. That sounds a little more appropriate. To start pushing up through these burgers. I made them a little thicker because I wanted, that crunch and a burger bite. So these are getting real close to flipping. I mean, that close. Boom. Oh, look at that sear. Dang it, buddy. It doesn't get any better than that for a smash burger. Boom. Bang. Bang. I just turned my temperature down to almost low because I need time to get the Kraft Deluxe Americana cheese on these things. Do you guys hate how these bags open as much as I do? Or is it just me? There's another one you can leave me in the comments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And everybody needs a second piece of cheese, right? Well, I guess the wife's too isn't going to get any. Nah, here we go. 1, 2. Now we're going to move these over. Just like this. Like I said, it doesn't get any quicker than this. My lid going down, hitting it with a little bit of water. Melt that cheese. This side getting turned off. This side is off. My buns, I lightly covered them with Duke's mayonnaise. Now you can use butter. And you don't have to use Duke's either, man. I mean, I tried the Duke's because it was everywhere and I needed to try it. But it's just as good as Hellmann's. Okay, so I'm down toasting. Bang! Look at how quick this crap goes. cheese back in here. I can already see these buns are smoking a little bit. So we are doing good. The bag's just as hard to close as it is to open. Now, how fun is this? Take a peek. Melted. I'm going to let that go another couple of seconds. I'm even going to give it another hit of water just for a smidge. Just to get it some more steam while I look at these buns. Oh, I hope you can see that on there. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now, that's not. Those can use a few more seconds. But that one's perfect. So we're going to put, you know what? We'll still leave it warm up. The other ones just need a few more seconds to go. I'm in my garage. If you see, all the water and grease is going this way, away from my drip. That's just because I'm on my Adventure Ready cart that I made. Let me get you a video of that. There's the Blackstone 22 Adventure. It's got a really nice table on it, or stand on it, but it's not mobile. And I move stuff around in the garage all the time. So this is what I came up with. It's just a Harbor Freight cart. It works perfect. Everybody asks about my grill cart. That is it. I got that at Sam's Club about forever ago. Anyhow, let's get back to the burgers. Oh gosh, perfection, huh? I'm gonna shut this all the way off too. Look at that cheese. Look. Boy, get a little dragger there. All right, I'm gonna get these up and out of the way in my cool zones as I move my buns out of the way too. I love this thing. Let's get these buns off of here. They are done, diddly done. Right now, they're hot. Yowie. But they're perfectly toasted. All right, let's build this. I'm not doing anything fancy, no mushrooms, no onions, because I want to show off this sauce. Because, buddy, this sauce is the bomb. Wife doesn't care for pickles, so I eliminated the pickles from the recipe, and I am not kidding. I think I like it better. Quick smash burger. What do we got? 5 minutes? Look at that with that sauce on there. Let's have a bite. Oh my God. I'm telling you, every time I make these, every time I make these, I'm just as tickled as the first time I make them because they're so stinking good. Look at the juice in there. Watch. Whoa. Oh my gosh. It's just, it doesn't get any better than that. Especially in the middle of the stinking winter. I got a 1/4 inch of ice in my driveway right now. Do I care? Because I got a smash burger. Anyhow, I am Mark. This is Everyone Can Grill. I really appreciate everybody sticking around. Give me a thumbs up if you can. And you guys have a great week. Thanks.